So that is it. We'll continue day and night until we find these children. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
We'll do what?
Day and night.
It's when we find these children that we can now say that yes, we have done our job. So for the commanders here, we leverage on intelligence so that you conduct an intelligence-based mission to rescue these girls. That become a pattern that the bandits they prey on soft targets. If they know you are in a location, they won't come there. Or they will brace up for a fight. And you can defeat them, can't you? I'm asking you. So you do that. So that directive, you cannot be starting at a particular point. You need to be moving. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Una G2H? All right. You tell them that we are here, what has happened, and which is not good at all. Now, if we have people like you form something like the civilian joint task force. They are the ones that give intelligence to prevent this kind of issue.
Muna da mutane kamar ne za su kawo mana bayani gaya mana saboda goma za mu amfani da wannan bayani za su kawo mana saboda da ba mu bayani wanda ya kamata mu yi amfani da shi mu bi wayannan mutane.
They know most of these forests and they should know where and where these people are likely are.
Mun san duk wayannan jejin nan kun san inda mutanen nan suke mun gane ga inda suke sai su gaya
Have they heard anything about this thing that has happened?
Kun ji akan abin da wannan abu ya faru? Kun ji wani abu akai? Kun ji wani abu game da shi? Game da inda suke?
They have hunters in this place.
Kuna da mahara?
Huh? You have hunters? Now your hunters should probe the nooks and crannies of this area.
Wannan yanzu za su shiga cikin wannan dajin su nemi inda wayannan suke kawo mana labari.
Their soldiers will also be out there, but they should be able to get the intelligence because they are familiar with the locals in this place.
Sojojinmu kuma za su kasance tare da ku, amma ku ne za ku je ku kawo mana wannan labari. Ina ne suke saboda mu san abin da za mu yi.
Do you understand me? Yes. So we are counting on you also to be involved in this search and rescue of these children.
Ina da kuma ku zama cewa za mu aiki tare da ku mu kawo wayannan makarantar sakandare.
What the evil people are trying to do is to scare them from sending them to them.
Wayannan mutane suna so su tsoratar da mu ne saboda kar mu kawo yaran mu su shiga makaranta suna tsoro suke so su.
And if you allow that, it will affect the future of these children. So let every man, you are not just man for nothing, let every man put it in his heart that this job is all of us who are going to get this children back.
Kowane namiji a nan wuri ya san cikin zuciyar shi cewa zai tashi ya ci wannan kawo ƙarshen wannan.
You hear me?
Yes. To mun gode